Hi, it's Amanda here, Creative Gardener. So I thought I would do a quick update on my sugarcane. Look at these beauties here. I've got 4 plants. I did show you them earlier, but with all the rain and the sunshine, they've actually grown even taller. And I think if I had planted them horizontal, then I would have had more sugarcane, because I planted them vertically. And so there are roots that are coming out the end, which in some of the nodules, and I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm really pleased. Look, yeah, so if you can see, there are some roots growing like here. So if this had been laid down, so there would have been roots grown here, and the sugarcane would have grown vertically. They would have been, yeah, grown vertically up. So if I'd have laid them down, I would have got sugarcane growing along the stalk, but coming out this way. The thing that you've got to be careful of is they're quite sharp. The leaves are quite sharp, and they can cut. So I have to be very careful. I haven't got my not mask, but my eye protective glasses, so I have to be careful. But yeah, this is the sugarcane. It is grown really well, and I still have to check when they can be harvested. I know it's still early days, but it's amazing, isn't it? Look at it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.